Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, if you're old, welcome back. In today's video, I'm actually rushing again. I feel like every time I'm doing a video, I am always rushing. I am going on this boat trip. It's my friend's birthday and we have to be at her house no later than 6 o'clock. Because she's gonna have snacks or stuff like that. So I want to make sure I get there on time because she wants me to do a little bit of her makeup too. So I'm trying to rush. It's 4:17, so I'm gonna try to be out of the house by 5. So pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. If you guys like my energy, if you like my content that I post, then please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, you guys, so I just flat ironed my hair. I didn't really do it bone straight, just because it's probably gonna poof up as soon as I go outside. Don't mind my armpits, they're hairy as hell. But actually no, my hair probably won't poof up. It rained yesterday and it was pretty cool this morning, so I'm gonna do a little half up, half down situation. So I'm just going to comb my hair, not brush, but comb my hair. I'm gonna take this Nexus Comb Through Finding Mist. It's just like a spritz kinda. So this is what the hair is looking like. It's still kind of frizzy. I'm gonna try to use the last of this that I have. I'm just gonna brush and stuff. So I've been liking that old school kind of look. You guys are probably like, what are you talking about? When the hair is actually flipped at the end. So I'm actually gonna do that. Oop. Hopefully it probably won't even stay because I don't even have any more of that spray. I think that is just so cute. It gives the look like a more feminine look. I'm gonna start off with the Ulta Beauty Poreless Face Primer. I never really wear a primer ever when I'm doing makeup. That's probably why my makeup doesn't really last throughout the entire day. I'm going to do my brows. I'm taking the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. The Go-To Milani Conceal and Perfect, both 13 and 10, and I'm actually going to mix the two. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I had this top that I got from Pretty Little Thing, as well as these jeans. I'm actually gonna show you guys a full body so that you guys can see actually what I'm wearing. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So here is the finished look. This is the bodysuit that I have with paired with these black jeans from Pretty Little Thing. They're kind of like straight legs, so that's why they kind of look like that. Then I have this black belt that I think got from Target, or I got somewhere. And then I paired it with these bright yellow heels.